All you have to do once you install this plugin into your web browser is just do some regular shopping online. So we're going to go to Walmart, and in this example I'm just going to pick some random item that I find on the website and go to the cart like I'm going to check out, and you can see here it shows some rewards that I can get thanks to the Honey plugin if I complete the purchase. There's some more information there about the rewards that I can get if I complete the purchase. Now let's go to Best Buy and click on a random television and see what it does. Here we go, here's some TVs here. I'm going to click on this one right here. Click on that one. Continue as a guest. Okay, and here I opened up the Honey plugin and I can see a bunch of discount codes that I can try to use, and also how long ago that they worked. So this plugin is pretty cool. So go ahead and click the link below in the video description and try it for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.